Well, there's nothing better than a hot meal on the mountain. So check this out. We got a Bushpusher cooker that we're going to be installing on our 26 Do behind me. So stick around. So first things first is we're going to have to remove this shroud once again. We've had this thing off like 4 times now. We're going to have to remove it once again so we can get to these bolts back here. And we're going to have to trim this so then the cooker can actually stay in there and connect it to the bolts. So let's do that. So this is part of the installation that we can take off the turbo. We're not going to because we don't need to. But if it doesn't do a good enough job and it doesn't get hot enough, then we will eventually. On the shroud that we took off, we marked where we had to cut it. So we will do that right away. So we trimmed it. There's a big hole now. But we had to trim a little bit more at the top here because it wasn't quite fitting properly. And yeah, that's how it fits. So to take these bolts out, you can either use an 8mm wrench, or if you don't have an 8mm socket as well, and they have to be 12 point. Remember 12 point. You can use a 5/16 like we are now because we couldn't find an 8mm. So we'll zip these off. Now it's just a matter of putting the bracket in place and putting the bolts on. Make sure you use Loctite for this as well, so that it doesn't come up. Oh boy, hold on. So we'll torque those in a minute here, but this is where we have to do some of the trimming, is that plastic there. And I think maybe some here. So you guys can see that we've got it marked out with our silver Sharpie where we've got to trim a little bit of the plastic so that the cooker will fit. Now you can use a knife or tin snips or a multi-tool. I'm going to use a hacksaw. Nice fine-tooth blade, nice clean cut, and then if we have to, we'll file any burrs. So, makes me nervous, but this is what you got to do to make it fit. It's just like, it's a brand new snowmobile, man. Yeah, I know. And here we are, like, chopping away at it. You know what? It ain't our snowmobile. Yeah, exactly. Who cares? That's okay. If anybody's gone snowmobiling before and you've had a hot meal up on the mountain, you'd understand why this is so good. Oh, we're going to have to vacuum this all out after we're done, buddy. Yeah, that's fine. All right, look, we got it all installed here. So we had to we trimmed this piece right here, and then we trimmed this corner. But this piece we didn't have to worry about. So we wiped it off with some brake clean. And yeah, so we'll show you guys what it looks like and how easy it is to access when it's all put together, like when you're on the mountain or something like that. So see you in 1 second. All right, guys, look at that. It's all installed, all put in. We did have to cut some of this shroud here just so you could access it. But look how easy this is. Pull that off. It slides right out. Again. It goes right back in like that. Sometimes it does get stuck up here, but... Or I just don't have it in right.
No, you don't have it in right. That's okay. They get the idea.
Yep.
Here, you just pop this spring. There we go.
There we go. All right, so that's it. So now this lucky owner can enjoy hot food on the mountain. So you enjoyed, like, subscribe, all that stuff. And that's it for today. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.